Welcome to your first steps into AI. Can you imagine a world with your own personal assistant who can help you work faster, think smarter, and even make your life more fun? Today, we'll explore how to get started in a way that feels simple, practical, and valuable from day one. AI can help you plan your day in minutes, balancing work and personal time. It adjusts schedules based on your priorities, ensuring a structured and efficient day with less stress. What is AI and why now? AI isn't science fiction anymore. AI is artificial intelligence. It's a real, usable tool. It processes information, learns patterns, and can give you advice, ideas, and solutions instantly. Think of it like a thinking software. And now, it's available to everyone, more accessible than ever. You don't need to try everything at once. Start with one AI tool. Start with one AI tool like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, or Claude. Each offers unique features to simplify daily tasks. Each works a bit differently, but they all can make daily tasks faster and easier. Now that you know which AI tools you can choose, we're ready to begin our very first lessons in AI. Think of this as your warm-up, a quick, hands-on way to see what AI can actually do for you in everyday life. We'll go through 5 short topics together. 1. Instead of staring at your calendar and wondering where the time went, let AI help you plan your day. It can structure your schedule around your priorities and make sure there's balance. Use the prompt example at the right and add your daily activities in the AI tool. 2. Instead of writing long emails, AI can write, reword, or summarize emails so you save time and always sound clear and professional. You still stay in control, but you skip the blank page struggle. Please use this simple prompt to start with. 3. Research of any topic could take hours now. Now, take minutes. AI can explain complex topics in simple terms and help you make informed decisions faster. Please use the prompt on the right to see an example. 4. And AI isn't just for logic. What about creativity? It's a powerful creativity booster. Whether it's a business campaign or a personal project, you can spark new ideas instantly. 5. AI isn't just for work. It can make life more fun too. From planning a weekend to picking up a new hobby or finding family activities, AI helps you enjoy more without the hassle. In summary, AI can make your work smoother, your personal life easier, and even spark some fun. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and you'll soon wonder how you managed without it. Welcome to your personal AI assistant. And that's it, your very first steps into the world of AI. But remember, this is just the beginning. Hope you enjoyed these first little steps in this first AI Kickstart. At Strategist-AI, we help you make life easier, more efficient, and yes, even surprisingly fun.